Hi, Voyagers.
Come on, let's go in the orchard.
Here at MetiGROWshe, we have this garden called MetiGROWshe. And in MetiGROWshe, we have lots of different areas. And the area we have today is the orchard. So in the orchard, we got June berries.
And honeyberries.
These ones you can just pick whenever you want. The darker they are, the better, the more sweet they are. We also have a wild Hannah, just kind of sitting here.
Excuse me?
Oh, shoot. I meant Naomi. We can cut that. That's rough. Okay.
Now over here, we have the honeyberries. Alright, these things, if you ever had a Sour Patch Kid, they're sweet and sour. These are just sour. And then you want to find the ones that are like a dark blue. Got one down here. So good.
All right, and then the last part of the orchard is right over here at the raspberries. A lot of them are gone because all the campers like to eat them, and but if you can find them, the darker they are, the better they are. So,
They're so sweet.
Yum. Cool.
Hey, so we are in the main part of the garden now. This is the corn they planted 4 weeks ago, and it's already gotten this tall. Over here we have some spinach, and these ones here are like how it's normally supposed to go, and this one is bolting. And so what that means is instead of putting the energy into making all of these leaves go outward like this, it takes it and puts more energy into growing up and making seeds for the new generation. And then there are some cucumbers over here.
They aren't quite ready yet, but
You can see a couple of them down here.
So over here we have the dill, which you don't eat this lime green part here. You would eat this, and yeah, place like what you put on dill pickle seeds. And if you keep coming, this asparagus, this just shoots up from the ground and then you snip it, and then that's what you eat when you're pretty much when you cook it. And now you'll take over.
All right. This is the kale and the chard. You'll notice that it has this white sort of cloth over it. The reason that's there is to prevent moths from eating it, because apparently they like it, and that's cool, but not cool for us because we also want to eat it.
Over here we have the Bachelor button flowers. They're edible flowers that don't really taste like anything, but they're pretty good. We mainly have them to feed the bees. And lastly, we have the parsley. It's these small little plants here. But for how small they are extremely nutritious, and they're found in our gardens and around MetiGROWshe.
Hi, welcome to the High Tunnel.
welcome to the High Tunnel.
These
Our
are
strawberries.
strawberries. They're chilling. These are tomatoes, and the fun thing about them, I don't remember the science behind it, but if you pat them, they get stronger. So that's a cool thing. And you could talk to them too, because that's fun.
These
and
are some radishes.
radishes. We got carrots down here, and you probably heard about bolting from another group, but there's some bolting going on here too, where they grow higher than the other ones.
Here we got some jalapenos.
Jalapenos. We got cucumbers down here. We also have Gary the goat, And Steven the worm, he's in here. He's red.
We have some parsley.
Yeah, we got parsley. And yeah,
I think we're ready for the other side of the tunnel.
choo choo.
Thanks, Kinley.
Over here, we have a butter crunch lettuce.
Butter crunch lettuce.
Yep, beets,
Romaine lettuce.
romaine.
What's this?
We got, these are more tomatoes. More tomatoes. We got bell peppers in here. This says green beans, but I don't
Green
believe
beans?
it. I don't believe it. And then, oh, we have sugar snap peas.
Lots of sugar snap peas.
They're really tall too. And then we got, this is a mint plant right here, and they're actually a weed, which is pretty cool.
And these are wandering onions, and they're really oniony,
Mhm.
and they don't taste very good.
The cool thing about wandering onions is these bulbs on top, when they grow too big and they get heavy, they'll droop down, and then they'll make like another whole plant, which is cool. That's why they're called wandering onions, because when they fall over, they just make more. Yeah.